Welcome to Pandan Valley Condominium, originally designed as landed living in an apartment through the smart use of split levels. Hi, my name is Kenneth Goh from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today, I'll be showing you a beautifully furnished unit with 4 bedrooms and 4 ensuite bathrooms covering 2,239 square feet over 3 different levels. The spacious living area can easily house family gatherings and double up as a comfortable area to host a party. The dining area is cozy, yet easily sits a family of 10 or even 12. And if you have a smaller group, you can adjourn to have after-dinner drinks in the adjacent lounge area that has a double volume height of 5.5 meters. All 4 bedrooms are spacious and are located on 3 levels to give a sense of privacy, just like in a landed property. Best of all the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. Wow! Space is abundant within the grounds too. The condo sits on 865,000 square feet of natural terrain for you to stroll in. Or pop into the various shops, including a cafe, a supermarket, or the vet. There are even a few tuition centers. Pandan Valley is close to many good schools such as Henry Park Primary School, Fairfield Methodist School Primary, Methodist Girls School Primary, Nanhua Primary School, and Peitong Primary School. We hope you enjoyed the home tour. It's been a pleasure describing the unit to you. To view the actual home, please arrange an appointment with me, Kenneth Goh, at 9692-5460. See you soon!